In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 a day or more selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself. And you're not even doing the selling because the automated funnel system that we give you is doing the selling for you. So first, before I show you how this system works and how this business works, let's talk about the two ways to make money. So there's basically two ways to make money for everyday normal people, okay? The first way is to be an employee, which means you get a job, which means you're building other people's businesses and you're making other people rich and you're exchanging your time for money. So people with an employee mindset, if they want to make more money, then what they'll do is they'll either try to go back to college and learn a new skill so they can get a better job, or they'll get like 2 to 3 jobs, which means they're exchanging more time for money. That's all, that's what they're doing. Okay. That's what people with an employee mindset do. Okay. Now, the second way to make money is to be an entrepreneur, which means you're building your own business, you're building your own dream, and you're making yourself rich. Plus, you're building multiple streams of income and you're spending your money on assets. Assets are things that can make you more money. Okay, that's the difference between an employee, okay, and an entrepreneur, right? So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can launch your own online business, get your own business set up in like 1 to 2 days without having to create anything. So, this is like a turnkey all-in-one business in a box, which means everything's already created for you, and all you got to do is set it up and start promoting your business just like you would with any other business. Okay. So we give you 4 different digital products that you can learn from and resell and earn 100% profit with. These are digital products in the e-learning industry, which is like $1 billion a day industry. And it's information, training, education. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about making money online, building an online business, digital marketing, all that kind of stuff, like, how to build your brand, how to build an email list, how to automate your income, how to grow your social media following, how to build multiple streams of income, all kinds of stuff like this, mindset training. That's what you're going to learn with these products. So not only can you learn from these products, but you can resell these products and you have master resale rights to them. So you earn 100% profit per sale. So we have 4 different products. You can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. Okay. So imagine if you learn the skills to attract a $900 customer every day. That's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. How would that help you out? Like, would you be able to like pay off your debts, travel more, quit that job, spend more time with your family? Imagine that, right? Because if you want to become wealthy, you need to have a vision, then you need to have a system like a business, and then you need to take action every day to promote your business. Okay, that's how you become wealthy. Always knowing what you want and always working for what you want and having faith that you get everything that you want and you deserve everything that you desire. Being grateful for what you have while you pursue the things that you want. Okay, that's the secret to becoming wealthy. So, this is how this business works. I'm going to break it down. And this works for like any online business pretty much. This same whole little formula, simple formula basically works for any online business, including this one. So every business on the planet, they make money by selling products, opportunities, or services. Okay. So you need a product and you need something that's in high demand, right? Something that people are searching for, something that people want, something that people are buying. Okay. So we give you 4 different digital products in the e-learning industry. These are top selling products that people are searching for and buying. Okay. And you earn 100% profit. Like most businesses, they only earn 10 to 30% profit. You can compare this to any other business model, and every other business model earns around 10 to 30% profit. And most business models have like small commissions like affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, drop shipping, e-commerce. They all have small commissions and they only earn 10 to 30% profit. Okay. And most of these businesses have monthly fees. We don't have monthly fees. Second thing you need to do, you need to automate your business. Okay. You don't need any tech skills. You don't need a following. You don't need any experience. We give you a pre-built automated system that you can set up in like 1 to 2 days. And I'm going to show you what that looks like and what you got to do to set it up. Okay. I'll show you that in a second. So basically someone goes to your link, right? Okay. You're just driving traffic. You're sending people to your link. Once they go to your link, they're going to put their email in and they're going to be inside of your automations. They're going to watch videos and we send out emails to them every single day. We give you 30 emails to begin with. So these emails are being sent out on autopilot, sending people to your website, and they can go to your website and purchase a product from you at any time. And as soon as they buy from you, you get paid instantly through your payment processor, 100% profit. Okay. Step number 3, you just need a way for people to discover your business. Now, we teach you how to do the free strategies so you don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to cold message people. This is a rejection-free business because we're not calling people, we're not cold messaging people, we're attracting people. We teach you how to do attraction marketing. Okay. So we have this 2 hour workday. There's a training in our program. It's like a, 2 to 5 minute training. It breaks it down, but basically it's this. Okay. All you got to do is create 3 pieces of content every day. You post it to social media. It can be talking videos, which are very simple and very effective. It can be faceless videos. Okay. You don't have to show your face. You can put words on the screen, like B-roll videos with overlay text and trending audio. Those are also effective. I've just found in my experience that like talking videos are really easy to create and really effective. Like this is, you can market anything just talking, right? Talking video, they're very easy. And then like the B-roll videos, you just create like a video of yourself doing random things, and then you put words on the screen. That's a B-roll video. Those are also very effective. And we use like the text is directed towards your perfect customer. Okay, you're speaking directly to the perfect customer. You're making them aware of the problem, you're offering the solution, and then you have a CTA, which means you say like what do people like CTA, call to action, you tell them what to do next, like comment yes and I'll share the information with you. Comment ready, drop a one and I'll share the details with you, right? That's called the CTA. You need that in all of your content because if you don't tell people what to do next, they're not going to do anything next, okay? And then every time they say something like they say, yeah, send me info or say yes or whatever, you just say, please visit my website. Simple as that. Copy and paste that even. So 3 pieces of content a day takes about 30 minutes minimum. Now you can do as much content as you want, right? It's all about quality and quantity. You want to always work on, getting a lot of content out there, but also working on improving the quality, which is something it just takes practice and you do it every day. You focus on doing it every day, you're going to get better. Okay. Plus, we have live training and mentoring in our community to help you. Like, we teach you how to create everything. Like, if you're a total beginner with zero experience, we take you through everything. We show you how to do everything as though you have no experience whatsoever. So, 3 pieces of content a day. And you can also go live on social media, right? Whatever platform you want to use, TikTok. Like I like to use TikTok for lives and YouTube for lives. I usually go live on TikTok and YouTube, okay, simultaneously. So I like to go live for like at least 30 minutes. That's personally what I do. I create content every day and I go live every day. And you can also copy and paste free ads. I don't do so much of that, but you can also copy, paste, and post free ads. So by creating content, by going live and posting free ads, what we're doing is we're driving traffic. We're sending people to our automations. And once they're inside of our automations, they go through the sales funnel and they can buy from us at any time. Okay. So that's how the process works. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like and what you got to do to get started. Okay. So here is what the business looks like. Let me share my screen real quick. Let me share my screen. Okay. Yeah. So, oh, all right. So basically, this is what our business looks like. This is the sales funnel. This funnel system is what's doing the selling for you. This is how you make money in your sleep. So you're going to get a capture page like this, landing page, capture page, whatever you want to call it. So basically, you're capturing people's emails. So every time they go to your link, they're going to go here, okay, and they're going to put their email in. Now we have a variety of different capture pages, so yours isn't going to look exactly like mine. There's different ones. You can also learn how to like modify your own capture page. You can edit it, you can make changes to it. You can learn all of that stuff, but it's not necessary. You don't have to ever change it, but you can. Okay. So after they go and put their email in, they're going to go through the sales funnel, right? This funnel right here. So they're going to watch these videos. There's testimonies there. People love testimonials. Okay, so they're going to watch this video. This video is doing the selling for you. And then here's another video that we send out in people's emails. Okay, we show you how to do all of this stuff, by the way. Okay, show you how to do everything, how to set up your email system, how to do email marketing. And all of this, I'm telling you, is so much easier than you think. Don't overthink it. Just start doing it. Just get started and start learning because you're going to learn and earn as you go. Okay, it's so much easier than you think. I had no experience building a business before this. I've been doing this for a year, and every single day it gets easier. Okay, so these 2 videos are doing the selling for you. These 2 videos are answering 99% of the questions for you. And then it's ultimately sending people to your website, okay, or your sales page, right? Now, this is where they can buy one of the products. The 4 different digital products here, 100, 300, 600, and $900. The products are education, information, training, like I said. So they purchase one of these products, like they go to your checkout link right here, they purchase one of the products and there's also payment plans available for your customers, okay? And every time they purchase a product, you get paid 100% profit. Okay. Now, this is what your website's going to look like. Like I said, this is already created for you. So we have 50,000 members in our community. We've made $29 million in sales in 10 months, paid out to members in our community. Okay. Every time someone makes a sale, it's added to the total. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. You become a certified reseller of these programs. There's a little training you can go through, get your certificate, so you become a certified reseller. Testimonials on the website. You just got to put your picture here, put your bio there, use ChatGPT to help you create a bio if you need to. And yeah, I'm just showing you what the website looks like. You can, like, if you want to get started at any time, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. I'm going to send you a free PDF. It's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. Okay. Here's me. See, you can modify your website. You're not going to have pictures of me. It's because it's going to be branded to you, right? You're going to learn how to set this up. It's really simple. I'm hanging out with the creator of this program. Her name is Michelle. She does millionaire mentoring in our community. She does a daily training with an action step every single day to help you create content, help you with your mindset, help you with your strategy. She's made around $7 million in 2.5 years. Okay. She's made around $4 to $5 million just by selling this product. So yeah, that's the highest earner. So I'm just showing you the potential. Plus, I'm going to show you inside of the community. I'm going to share the wins with you inside of the community. Okay. So this is what your website looks like. You can see there's payment buttons all over the place. So people are going to go through, they're going to read your website, and at any time they can get started. They just click on one of the payment buttons. They purchase their product, they purchase their program, and they're ready to go. Okay. And then there's bonuses that you get to use, all these extra bonuses when you get started. Okay. And that's it. And then the frequently asked questions at the bottom. Okay. Now, if you want to start this business, if you're ready to get started, if you see an opportunity, so how do you get started? You purchase one of the programs, okay, and then you pay $39 for your website. There's zero monthly fees. So you purchase one of the programs, and then once you purchase one of the programs, then you're going to get instant access to your program, okay, to your products. So all your products and stuff are here, okay, inside of Kajabi. So this is where you have access to all your products. Here's the certification training that you go through, right? It's going to show you like how this works, how this whole business works, what is email automations, what is attraction marketing, what is digital marketing, what is a personal brand, three simple steps to build a personal brand to attract buyers, storytelling marketing, the 2-hour workday, how to craft a compelling message to stand out, okay? You're going to learn how to, the compliance and ethical marketing practices, right? All this stuff. This is like the beginning training, the do's and the don'ts. And it's going to help you get started with your business. It's also connected to the business. Okay. And then here's your bonuses here. Like we teach you how to create digital product ideas, how to do faceless marketing, stuff like that. Okay. And then once you access your program, you want to go through your program once you're brand new and getting started. Just watch the getting started here. And then basically you're just going down. It's a blueprint, it's a recipe, it's a formula. So one of the first things you got to do is automate your business. Okay. Website setup. So you got to get your system set up, go to GoDaddy, get your domain and your professional email address. We show you how to do everything. Then you got to set up your payment gateways like Square, PayPal. That's how you get paid. Square, PayPal, Stripe. Those are the ones that we use. And then you got to connect your Freedom machine. You got to connect your domain to your website. Basically, you're just copying and pasting. And then it's going to look like this. Okay. It's going to look something like this. You're setting up this system. This is how you receive your payments. So it's like one of the first things you need to do, right? And if you don't want to set it up yourself, you can have the tech team. They will set it up for you as well. But if you set it up yourself, it should only take you like 1 to 2 days. It took me a few hours to set up. I don't have tech skills. I was just excited to start my business, so I set it up fast. Okay. And then after you set up your business, here's a launch kit for your business. This teaches you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So you want to watch that. And then after that, you just go through all the trainings gradually over time because there's a lot of training. So you could just go over the training over time. That's the product. The product is the training, the information, the education. Okay, like everything you need to know, storytelling, branding your business, how to post ads, how to craft your message, how to build recurring income, email marketing, list building, how to launch your own course, how to create your own products. This is all the stuff that you're going to learn. Then you can watch all the live mentoring call replays. Okay, and we're always adding more stuff to the to the program. That's what I love about this. Okay, always adding more. Okay, so that's where your products are, right? Once you get started, this is where you access your products. Now let's go into the community. Where's the community? Oh yeah, here we go. Here's the community. So when you get started, you can just write stuff here. You can introduce yourself, post your wins, ask questions. So let's just go. We have 54,000 people in our community. Let's go to the win section. Okay. Let's see. The daily wins. So people post their daily wins. So let's see like the money wins, all kinds of stuff they post, right? $100 ding at night. Okay. She made $100 at night. Boom. Another $300 while attending online prayer. Okay. $1,800 sick in bed. I'll never get over this. She's already made over 10K for July already. Okay. She made $1,800 while sick in bed. Okay. Earlden, he made $900. I'm so happy today. Okay. He made $900. Tevi, she made a $900 on her live. Um, $900 is I just got in from work. So you can work a job and you can build this business on the side. Okay. So most people, they have a job when they start this business, right? But they want to be wealthy. So that's why they start the business. $900 before coffee. So yeah, you can see all the wins. This is just one page of wins, and there's 30 posts on each page, and we have 29,000 pages of wins, just so you understand how many wins we have. A lot. So people are making money every single day. So why not you? If you don't learn how to make money online, you're costing yourself money. Now here's more trainings in the community, social media training, all the replays and stuff are here. Calendar, this shows you when we have the live interactive mentoring calls, okay? From 6 and 7 figure income earners to help you build your business. So in the community classroom, you want to go to the getting started training, okay? And that's pretty much the community. Yeah. So I basically showed you everything. Like I said, to get started, all you got to do is purchase one of these products and then pay $39 for your website. And then you're going to have instant access to everything. You're going to have your own business in a box and you're going to have access to our community. Okay. So that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop it in the comments. If you want to get started, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Plus, I'm going to send you the free PDF that's going to show you how to make 10K in 30 days. So just make sure to like this and share this with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's working like 40 plus hours a week, they're overworked, they're underpaid, they're stressed out financially, and they need some help, then just share this video with them and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. God bless.